Beautiful maiden of Mbanago Kingdom. What seems to be making you this broken at this hour of the day?
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma. What happened to your pot?
I slept and
Can you stop this? It's just a pot and not a broken life.
You will not understand. You will not understand. I am so broken because they will have my head. She's going to kill me if I go
home. Which clan are you from and who is your father?
Amaka. Nne. Is MMIRIMMA not yet back?
Nne, I don't know what has been keeping that stupid slave girl. She's been gone for too long.
I don't understand. Look at the whole compound. So unkept.
I am sure that one of her numerous male friends must have cornered her by the bush to lay with her, Nne. My own is she must not bring back unwanted pregnancy into this household, though.
She dare not. She dare not. Because I will personally kill her myself. She knows me too well. She will not try that nonsense with me.
Nne, I hate MMIRIMMA. I detest her with so much passion. How can an ordinary slave have it all? She's tall, and everyone says she's beautiful. Even though to me, I'm sure she's ugly. Yet she commands the attention of the notable men of this kingdom.
The gods are partial. If not, how do you explain the fact that a slave is more beautiful than my own daughter?
Nne, did you just say that MMIRIMMA is more beautiful than I am?
Not really.
So, Nne, you agree with everyone in this kingdom that she's prettier than myself?
No.
But you just said it, Nne.
I'm sorry.
I don't know what the problem is. Every man in this kingdom wants her. And I am sure the prince has not declared his interest because they are yet to cross paths.
My daughter, you worry your head too much. I'm your mother. And you know exactly what I can do. Trust me. By the time I'm done with her, you see that her beauty, no one will ever see it again. She will turn to mirror jaw that no man will ever fetch. Just calm down, all right?
but she's not more beautiful than I am, right?
Of course she's not. You're beautiful. And I want the best for you. Alright?
Yes.
I promise you, you'll get the best. Not a stranger. A slave for that matter. It's okay.
Thank you, Nne.
Alright?
Yes.
Smile for me.
Can I take you home?
No, thank you. I'll be fine.
Are you sure that you're going to be fine?
Thank you.
She didn't get to tell me her name. Maiden, you didn't get to tell me your name.
MMIRIMMA.
MMIRIMMA, try and take good care of yourself. I have never seen this maiden before. Who is she?
My prince, I know her very well.
You do?
Yes. She is that slave girl from Onowu Ibekwe's household.
A slave? A slave is this beautiful? A slave?
What kind of madness is this? I will so deal with that slave today. Eh? Why would she leave everyone hungry? Imagine, up till now, my daughter, the prince betrothed, has not eaten. Eh?
Nne, leave that dirty slave girl to me. Leave her to me. I am going to punch her so hard on the face. Nne, I will deal with her in such a way that she will beg me to stop. But I will not.
Wow.
No, wait, is it not just to fetch water? What's all this now? Eh? Nne.
Wait a minute. Is that my pot? Hey! Ebomu.
Greetings, Nne.
MMIRIMMA, you left this house to go fetch water. Where is the water that you fetched?
Nne,
Speak!
The what? The what? Hey. You broke my costly pot. Eh? The pot that I spent a fortune to get. Eh?
I didn't break the pot. I slipped and the pot broke. I didn't break it.
Oh, Nne, she said, you slipped. And the pot did what? You slipped and the pot did what?
My pot broke.
The pot did what?
My costly pot broke. The pot did what? MMIRIMMA.
What happened?
Oh, yeah.
You slipped. You slipped. Can you afford this pot?
No, you
Can you afford it? Can you afford this pot?
She's a very beautiful maiden with a sweet voice.
Fast, sister. I said sweep fast. Hurry up and go and prepare breakfast. Nonsense.
Ne, do you know my happiness? I promised this slave girl that I am going to punch her in the face someday. And finally I did. Let me see how you still parade yourself in this village as the most beautiful.
I said you should hurry up!
What is going on here?
Greetings now.
Greetings, MMIRIMMA. I asked a question. And what is wrong with your face? What is going on here?
I punched her on the face, Nnam. I punched her so hard.
Why will you do that? How can you show that level of hostility, brutality to an innocent maiden? What did she do that will warrant you punching her in the face? That her face is looking this way.
My husband, ask her what she did.
Did she kill somebody? No, what exactly will she do that will make mother and daughter show this level of wickedness to a maiden? What is going on here? No matter what she did, are you not supposed to know that somebody gave birth to her?
I don't understand. Do you expect me to cuddle her up and probably applaud her for breaking my costly water pot?
MMIRIMMA,
No.
is this true?
No, I didn't intentionally break the pot.
Will you stop lying?
I slipped on the stream part and the water pot broke.
Nnam, she intentionally broke my mother's water pot.
And you will not eat in this house. That is your punishment until I say so.
Slave girl.
Greetings, mother.
Hey, Mr. Kwebuka, you are back.
Yes, I am back.
No problem. The maids will prepare your food.
Please tell them to hurry up. I'm hungry.
Uju!
I'll be at my hut.
Okay. Uju! Uju!
Yes, my queen.
Go and prepare Prince Chukwuebuka's food.
Okay, my queen.
Nedima, can you start talking? Can you tell me the reason you did what you did? I mean, why do you hate this maiden so much? Can you tell me why?
I do not just hate her. I detest her. Up till the sand she marches on. Is that bad?
What is wrong with you? You are confirming to me that not only you hate her, that you even detest her. A maiden who is living under you. A maiden who prepares the things you eat. A maiden who is serving you. Can you tell me why? Why will you hate her so much?
You want to know why?
Yes.
Then I will tell you. I hate the fact that she's the only one that attracts rich suitors. When no rich man has ever come to ask my daughter's hand in marriage. Obwaka.
Nedima, do I smell jealousy here? No, you are confirming to me that the reason you have been this wicked on this maiden is because you feel she is more beautiful than your own daughter? Come on, Nedima. A woman in your level should do better than this.
Let her live our lives. Let her leave this house. I don't want to see her. I hate her. Let her go.
Let who go? No, you want me to send away a maiden who is serving me and is serving me so well. How can you even say that? Stop. Can you stop already?
My husband, I want a million. Let her live our lives. If not, I'll send her away myself. Trust me, you know what I can do.
You are going to send away a maiden that is serving me? Try that. Try that and you are going to discover the other side of me you never knew has been there.
Oh, really? That's all you have to say? My husband, this is all you have to say? Then watch and see. She will leave this house. My husband, be ready to show me that side of you. Because she will leave this house.
You know, Nedima, I look at you and all I see is a woman who is very impossible.
I know. And I'm so ready to do impossible things. I am ready!
Stop. Stop it. Uchagidia.
Uchem dia.
Uchagidia.
Uchem dia.
Abasukwenamiwe.
My husband, what has come over you? Why are you like this? Eh? You chose a slave over your own family. Nka Ogu, she will leave my house. She will leave my house. Trust me. Adema. Nabachalum. She must leave my house. Nabachalum.
Greetings, my prince.
Amaka, what are you doing here?
My prince, why do you always shove me off like I am nothing? And you constantly ask me this question each time I come around you. Why?
Because you keep barging in on me. Look at the time. This is when every maiden should be in her father's house doing chores.
How can you say I barge in on my future husband? That sounds funny, you know.
It sounds funny. Sound funny, right?
Very funny, my prince. You talked about house chores. Have you forgotten I have a servant? Rather, a slave, whose duty is to serve me. Come on, my prince. That's not nice.
So tell me, when this servant, rather slave, like you said,
A slave?
is busy doing chores, what do you do?
Absolutely nothing.
Ah.
I do not. What are you saying, my prince? Do you expect me to serve the slave girl instead of her serving me? It's our duty to serve me, to do my biddings. You don't expect me to lift a finger because I have got a slave girl in my father's house. That settles it.
Amaka, can you please go and come back later? I am busy, as you can see.
I'd rather sit.
I said come back later, please.
My queen does not want me.
How can you say a thing like that?
Because he treats me like a plague. He doesn't want me around him. My queen, the mere sight of me pisses him off.
But you know it is not true. Prince Chukwuebuka needs you, as he needs heir to live.
How come he's not talking about marriage yet? We are not even bonding.
Amaka, you worry so much. Prince Chukwuebuka is my son, but he has no choice than to present you as his chosen bride.
But my queen, the very person in the center of all this is not even coming around. How do you want me to take it?
Have you forgotten that the person we are talking about is my son? The heir to this great kingdom. Prince Chukwuebuka needs to do his parents' choice. Please relax.
I cannot relax, my queen. I cannot. If your son does not want me, let him come clean with it. I am the daughter of the Prime Minister of this kingdom, a beautiful maiden of the land. What is it that he wants? I'm leaving.
Come back here. Amaka, where are you going to? Go back to his chambers. I want two of you to start getting along. You are a woman. Make him fall for you. Grab him.
He asked me to come back, and he's already fast asleep. Just look at how handsome he is, even in his sleep. Look at those hairs, the broad shoulders. He's so handsome, just my kind of man.
Amaka, what are you trying to do? Are you trying to seduce me?
My prince, how can I be seducing my husband? Why are you behaving like a child, Chukwuebuka?
Did you just call me by my name?
We are getting married soon and should be getting along.
Excuse you? Who and who is getting married?
Both of us are getting married. My prince, I am your parents' choice for you.
Let me clear this impression. For clarity's sake, we can never have anything to do with each other. You're not my kind of woman. Do you understand?
I don't understand, my prince. Ugeze and Omasiri already chose me for you. So what are you saying?
I am telling you for you not to say that you kept rejecting suitors for my sake. My heart belongs to another. So please, stop.
I have tried to be very subtle with you. I have tried to play my part as a woman in a very subtle manner. But I guess it is not sinking. Now you listen to me. Because I will not have you ridicule me in this village like a piece of trash. I will not have you do that.
I won't be repeating myself. My heart belongs to another. So you better stop coming here.
My prince,
What is it? Why are you upset? Why are you crying? Eh, Amaka? What have you done to you? Talk to me.
Ebuka. I told you he does not want me. He has chosen another over me.
What? Did he tell you who the maiden is?
I was not patient enough to know who he mentioned. I stormed out in anger, Mother. Mother, I cannot take the humiliation. The entire kingdom is going to mock me.
Why? How can Chukwuebuka do this to his father and I? We chose you. Because we know that you are best for him.
Mother, I cannot take the humiliation. It's too much. I cannot take it. I'm telling you now. How am I even supposed to walk freely in this kingdom anymore?
My dear, don't worry. Don't worry. Because of the closeness I have with your mother, I will not allow him to bring any other maiden into this palace.
My queen, I love Chukwuebuka. I love him so much. I want to be his bride. What else am I going to do?
Of course, you will be with him, and you are already there. Don't worry, I promise you, I will talk some senses into him. Eh? It's okay. Stop crying, eh? It's okay, it's okay. Sorry.
If you like, sleep there. If you like, sleep there. Hurry up and go and fetch water. Lazy bone. Ena bachoka.
Ne, please, can you give me just little food? Let me eat. I'm very hungry. Pico.
You want to eat my food?
Yes, Ne.
Mirama, let me ask you. Is it that you do not know when to draw the line? Eh? Have you forgotten who you are? You're a slave. You're not my daughter.
Yes, Ne. I know that I'm a slave. But please, I'm very tired. Let me just have a little portion. Please now. I'm very hungry. I cooked it.
Yes, and so? It is your duty to cook because you're a slave. And so? Eh? You want to eat my food after breaking my water pot?
It was not intentional. I slipped out of hunger. After walking a long distance to the stream, please, I don't want to die.
It's again. Is it not better you die? Eh? Is it not better you die? I've told my husband to send you out of this house, but he refused. Whatever you see, you take. I'll give you my food. Now, one.
I am just wondering exactly what is holding the prince, your son, Prince Chukwuebuka, from presenting Amaka as his chosen bride to the cabinet. I don't know what is going on.
I do not understand it either.
Onyeze, what exactly is the delay? We need to know. Amaka, my daughter, has been rejecting all her suitors because she has been keeping herself as the chosen by the prince. We need something to be done because I don't want a situation where she will end up chasing all her suitors away and then end up not being the chosen one.
Oh no, there is no law in this land that says it must be your daughter.
What?
I think Prince Ebuka's delay spells it out.
I am trying so hard to understand what you are saying.
Oh no, are you daft? What don't you understand? Ebuka's delay indicates his lack of interest in your daughter. You should know.
What is wrong with this man? Oh yes, can you see?
What is it?
How many times have I warned this man not to interfere when I'm holding a private discussion that has got to do with my family with you?
Everybody has his own opinion. Yes, and you cannot shut me up. No way.
What useless opinion will you be having in a private affair that concerns my family? I already told you not to interfere in anything that concerns me. Sit down and shut up.
Oh no, tell me. Why are you so particular about being an in-law to the royal family? Why? And you are even blowing the girl. We know that you did not bring up your daughter well. As far as I'm concerned, she has a zero character trait to be the queen of the next king.
You are very stupid to say that to my face.
What?
You are very stupid, yes, I said so.
Oh no.
What's wrong with this man?
You know I'm saying the truth. There are a whole lot of beautiful and well-mannered maidens in this town that deserve the prince, not your daughter.
May Amanio has struck your mouth for saying that.
Igwe.
May all the forces that keep over this kingdom strike you for...
Stop, you two. Stop, you two. How can you sit here and be attacking each other for nothing? I don't know what has come over you people. What is it? No more talk from you.
There's no problem. No problem.
I wonder what is keeping him.
Ne, will you be going anywhere?
No.
Then let's sit back and wait for his return.
I'm just curious to know the outcome of the meeting at the Royal Palace. That's all.
No, I'm curious too.
Greetings, Nna.
My husband.
How did he go?
Nam, you're welcome.
Amaka, get me something. Water to drink immediately. Fast.
Hey! Hey! Go and fetch water for my father to drink. Immediately. Okay. Hurry!
Amaka, your father just told you to give him water to drink. You are expected to do just that and not delegate that responsibility to someone else.
What is he, Nam? A slave whose duty is to run errands in this house.
Amaka, it has been said by all in this kingdom and even beyond that you are bereft of good manners. Their conclusion is that you don't have home training and you are standing before me exhibiting that same character. Why are you completely useless? Why?
But what did I do wrong, Nam?
My husband, honestly, I'm so disappointed. How could you say that to your daughter?
No, what would I say?
Eh?
Why would I not say it?
So if others cast stone on your daughter, you will join them? Eh? You and I know that the haters are doing this because she's the daughter of the Onowu.
That's what you think?
Of course it is what it is.
Really?
They are just jealous because her daughter has found favor in the eyes of the royal family.
Emekwere ime. Emere eme.
Do not panic. It is me.
You?
Yes, me. Why are you seated by the stream all by yourself crying?
I am a wounded soul. My life is shattered. This is not the life that I envisioned for myself. All my dreams and aspirations are shattered. They are shattered by the wickedness of men.
If I understand you very well, you are crying because you are embittered. Is it from the Onowu's family? Talk to me.
I'd rather not talk about it.
That is because you do not consider me a friend.
I am a common slave. I am not even expected to keep friends, either male or female.
Miramma, see me as your friend.
You know my name?
Have you forgotten you told me your name the other day you broke your water pot?
I can't even remember.
Stop crying, please.
Amaka, you know you would have been married by now, if not for your unruly behavior.
Ifed, you don't have to remind me. It's either I get married to the prince or no one.
But can't you see he's not showing any interest? It is your parents that is pushing this, right? At least use your head.
I still stand a chance with him. How?
How? He's the one that will marry you, not his parents. So my dear friend, if he says no, that is what it is.
Ifedi, King Ake Uchonwa is the traditional ruler of this kingdom, and whatever he says stands.
Not in this case. He has every right to choose or recommend a maiden for the prince, but it's entirely the prince's choice to make.
One thing you have failed to understand is that the prince has no choice. He must obey his parents. Whatever they say to him is what he will do.
Amaka, I know why I'm saying this, so you will not lose at the both end. Take for instance, look at the way you are dressed. Like a princess, when you do not even know your stand with the prince. Use your head now, my friend.
What is wrong with you and what is with all this use your head, use your head? You don't know that's an insult. Listen, I am the chosen one, the prince's choice. By so doing, I am automatically the princess of this kingdom. So I should look it. I can't come and look less, you know. Don't you get it?
Wrong, Amaka, you are wrong. Wait until the prince chooses you. Then you can fly over the moon. But until then, stop dressing like a princess. So you will not make yourself unreachable to men that have interest in you.
Are you jealous?
Me? Jealous? Come on now, my friend. You know I can't be jealous of you. I am just trying to advise you.
Keep it.
You better think about it.
You look royal. Always adorned in royal apparel. Do you come from a royal family?
Why are you just asking now?
Let's see. I'm just being curious now.
Yes, I'm from a royal family. My name is Prince Ebuka, the Crown Prince of Mbanago.
No!
What is it? Why are you running off?
I must not be seen with you. I need to fetch water and leave here at once. Please.
But I do not bite.
Wait. Are you not Prince Ebuka? Amaka's would-be husband?
What? Amaka? How?
Yes, you are the only one in her head. You are all she thinks of and brags about. Please, I must not be seen anywhere close to you, else her mother will pour me hot water. I'm not ready for her wrath, please. I need to just fetch water and leave at once.
Look, are you trying to say that Amaka goes around the community telling everyone and every ear that cares to listen that I am her groom-to-be? Yes, my parents recommended that, but I told them that I'm not interested in marrying Amaka. Yes.
What
now.
is it?
Are you not the one Obiefuna is beckoning onto? At least wait and hear what he has to say.
Have you gone mad? How dare you ask me to stop and listen to that never-do-well of a man? How dare you?
Obiefuna is not a never-do-well. He is a hard worker who has worked his way to every lips of the subject of this kingdom. Did you hear me? Listen to him.
Amaka.
Be explicit and leave.
I've been calling you since from that junction.
Say it! Or are you stalking me or what?
No, Amaka, I told you something. And you have to pray if I'm the right person for you. Huh?
What's that your name again?
Obiefuna.
Obiefuna.
Yes.
So you little riffraff expect me to go about disturbing the gods? For what exactly? About you?
Do not rush into conclusion. Where your heart is going might not be the right choice for you.
Shut up. Have you forgotten who my father is? The Prime Minister of this kingdom. And you are asking me, you little riffraff, to pray? Have you gone mad?
Amaka, you are just Onowu's daughter. Eh? Not King's daughter. If not for one thing, Ndowagono. Look at the one share. Apoga Makineko. Similar for Sonyala. Come on, get out. The good ones here.
Happy now? You caused it. Shut up and get out of my sight.
What kind of a human being is this?
I'm surprised you came out all by yourself, without the company of any guard.
Well, my parents insisted on the guards coming with me, but I declined.
Seems you're the stubborn type.
Stubborn? Me? I am not stubborn. Just that I do not like the guards following me everywhere. I'm human, I deserve some privacy and space.
But you should also know that you are royalty and must be treated as one.
You don't have to remind me that. I mean, I'm not different from others.
When you look at it now, you're already raising your voice.
I'm sorry. I don't like to be seen like a superhuman.
Prince Ibuka, of a truth, you have the attributes of a king. You tend to apologize when necessary. I think I love that.
Can I take you home?
No.
Why not?
Since you're forgetting who I am, I can go home.
Let me help you.
You don't have to.
Careful.
I don't want my go. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Amaka, what? What is it? What is wrong with you? I do not understand the reason for your outburst.
Did you not hear what that useless Obiefuna said to me? Did you or did you not hear it?
You started it first. You talked down on him and made him look less of who he is. And you decided to throw it back at your face. How is that a problem?
You actually think you know me, but you don't. When next that imbecile of a man stops me on the road, you will see what I will do to him. Just imagine Obiefuna. What's that?
Amaka, retrace your footsteps. Retrace them.
What did you say?
Amaka, you are my friend. You are my friend, and I can never deceive you. At this point, I think you should desist from your irrational behavior towards men. Get one, get married, and start up your own family. Please.
So, hold on. Ifedi,
So you are advising me now? Really? You turned yourself to my advisor. Maybe you are deaf that you didn't hear me. I, Amaka, MMIRIMMA, her father's pride, the daughter of the Prime Minister of this kingdom, will get married, but only to a prince. Did it sink?
Really? Well, if you must know, Obina and his people will be coming to my father's compound in the next Ore market day to pay my bride price.
Ifedi, you're getting married?
Oh yes, I'm getting married to that same Obina you once talked down on. And Machi's dowry will be paid tomorrow.
Machi too?
Yes.
Hey you! Stop there! Where are you coming from?
I went to the stream.
You went to the stream for God knows how long are you coming?
Stop! Stop! Will you stop this your really behavior? What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Hi!
Let this be the first and the last time you will ever involve yourself in anything that has to do with my family.
Really?
Pocket it.
Really? Alright. Go ahead. Kill her! Miriam, come, let her kill you. Kill her! Rubbish!
Get out. Happy, right? You are happy now. I am asking you. You are happy. Get out! Slave rat! Hey! You fed. Getting married?
Both of you are looking at the incoming queen of Mbanago Kingdom. Did you hear me say it?
Amaka, what is actually keeping you and the prince from getting married?
Does it mean the prince does not see how gorgeous you look?
Machi, leave Amaka alone. Only she knows who she's waiting for. She has been rejecting suitors, all because of Prince Ebuka, who does not even know if she exists or not.
I don't understand.
You mean the reason you are not yet married is because of the prince? I mean, even thinking before I will come back from my maternal home, you might have even gotten married to the prince.
Amaka is the one holding herself. She is the one holding herself. Since Prince Ebuka is not showing any seriousness, she should accept one of her suitors and get married. Also not Prince Ebuka, not bro Prince Ebuka.
Oh, that's her business. So as for me, any moment from now, I might be getting married.
What? Machi, you'll be getting married?
Oh, yes.
Chimo. So, tell me now, tell me my friend, what does he do?
Well, he's a wealthy farmer.
A wealthy farmer?
Yes.
Chimo. Amaka, Machi will soon be getting married. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
My best friends are getting married, while I do not even know my stance with the prince. Why is he not coming around? Am I not beautiful enough for him to consider me a worthy bride? It's an obvious fact that Prince Ebuka's mind is somewhere else. If not, why the unnecessary delay?
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, my son. Sit down, sit down. I heard you left the palace without your guards. Where to where exactly?
Oh, I went to the stream to clear my head.
And what's eating up my son?
Father, there comes a time in a man's life when he needs a quiet time to think and see what the future entails.
I hope that future includes your settlement, marrying your heartthrob, Amaka, the daughter of Ono, as your bride.
Father, we're still having this conversation. You and mother keep going back to an issue that is already settled.
And what are you driving at?
For the obtained time, I do not love Amaka and I don't want her as a bride. As a matter of fact, Father, I have already found myself a suitable maiden for a bride.
Who is this maiden? Where is she from? What does she represent? From which clan?
Father, take it easy. When the time is ripe, you would see her. This maiden is very beautiful and well-mannered. She is awesome. You would love her. As a matter of fact, you will fall in love with her at the sight of her.
My son, you mean I will fall in love with this, your strange maiden, and leave my wife on my Ugeze?
You know that is not exactly what I meant, Father.
Okay.
I'm just saying that she's an adorable person.
Then do well and bring her to the palace. Let us see her.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you.
I will.
Son. It's all right.
Let me retire to my hut.
Okay, my son. Eh?
My husband, there is no way I can accept his choice. Prince Chukwuebuka rather accept our choice, or he forgot bringing another maiden into this palace.
Omasireze, let us wait for him to bring the maiden. What is the fuse about? We wait for him to bring the maiden before casting stones.
It is Onowu's daughter. She will always remain my choice for my handsome son. Ebuka will never end up with a commoner.
Like I said, let us wait for him to bring her first. Let's see who he chooses.
Tell me, Chukwuebuka, what does he want from another maiden that is not in Amaka? Amaka is beautiful. She has courage. She will always remain my choice till tomorrow. What I think that we need to do now is to plan how to pay Amaka dowry and perform the necessary marital rites. Final.
Omasireze, we shall take it one step at a time.
Let me remind you that we don't have the luxury time. Even Chukwuebuka does not have all the time in the world to wait further. Omuroge, Ugadirozi.
I know the royal cabinet are unto him to show his chosen bride. But we must remember that his happiness will be utmost in our mind.
My king, I thought that we are in this together.
Yes, we are in this together. But remember, it is Ebuka's decision to take whether to go with our choice or not.
Really? So you want to drop out? Akwaya? No problem. I have made my point, and that is final. Igwe, I will be in my chamber.
Women will always remain women.
Chukwebuka, who is she?
Mother, why do you enjoy bargaining on me?
Tell me, who is she? Onyekobo.
Who is who?
Tell me, who is that disgrace you want to bring into this palace? Who is she? Who is the father? Where does she come from? Who is that maiden that you have chosen over Amaka?
Mother, you have to wait.
No way! You have to tell me her name and who her father is.
Like I said, Mother, please wait.
Chukwebuka, you know we are your parents. We know the best for you.
You do not know the best for me, Mother. I am a man, I know what I want. I know the type of woman that I want. I have looked at the picture clearly. Amaka is not the woman that I want for myself.
Then look at the picture again. Amaka is already there in your future. Two of you will make a wonderful pair.
I disagree with you. As a matter of fact, Mother, I have found myself a suitable maiden. Very beautiful and well-mannered. I'm sure you would love her when you see her.
I insist. It is Amaka.
Then you will have to marry her for your husband as a co-wife.
You said I was lying, right? Here they come. At least you've seen it with your eyes.
Please show him where to drop the firewood.
Okay, my prince. Good day, my prince.
How are you?
I'm fine, my prince.
How are you?
How dare you? Chimo, how dare you, swine of a prince? How dare you? Of all the maidens in this kingdom, you chose to embarrass me with my slave.